to Derby Music Academy. This is lesson number 3 for beginners in our series of How to Read Music. Today we will be looking at notation. The word notation means a series or system of written symbols used to represent numbers, amounts, or elements in something such as music or mathematics. Of course, we will be looking at the written symbols in music. We will make a start on trying to decipher exactly what the dots and dashes on a page of music mean. Please remember that this is going to be at a very basic level. All melodies or tunes are made up of a series of long and short sounds. Imagine that a sound is made at the start of this line and is stopped at the end of the line. It might sound like this. Now imagine that we cut the sound exactly in half. It might sound like this. And if we were to cut the sound into quarters, it might sound like this. The challenge for early musicians was to find ways of notating the sounds or writing them down so that others could duplicate them. Through the years, and with much evolving of ideas, we came to represent this long sound with a large, round shape. And we called it the whole note. The half-length sounds were represented by smaller ovals with a stem. And they were called half notes. The quarter-length notes were represented with small black ovals with a stem. And they were known as quarter notes. Now, you will remember that we've learned about the stave with the treble clef and the bass clef. And the treble clef is also known as the G clef. Now, if you were to take that whole note, the long note, and place it on the G line, it takes on the pitch of what we've come to know as the G, and it sounds for a full 4 counts, like this. These half notes, placed on the F line of the bass clef or F clef, will take on the pitch of F. Each half note counts for 2 counts. These quarter notes placed on the C line take on the pitch of C, and each quarter note sounds for 1 count. These notes can be mixed up and can appear anywhere on the different lines or spaces on a stave. Let's see what happens when we mix up the notes on the stave. Remember, we've only got a few that we are playing with, but it will give you the idea. So we start here with a middle C, with a whole note. It then goes on to G on the G line, and we're looking at the quarter notes. We then go down to the F in the bass clef with 2 half notes, and we end again with middle C in the bass clef with a whole note. So that first note's going to count for 4 counts, and then the G, all of those notes just get 1 count. The F, those 2 notes get 2 counts each, and then the final note, middle C, is a whole note, so we hold that down again for 4 counts. And this concludes lesson number 3. Please leave any questions you have or comments below, or just click the like button. And if you are enjoying these lessons, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. This will notify you of all videos we post on our channel. For more information, please visit www.derbymusicacademy.co.uk.